A C program to convert Fahrenheit to calculus can be done in 3 quick steps. First, set up both of the temperature variables as doubles so that the temperatures can eventually be displayed to 2 decimal points. Next, take in the temperature in Fahrenheit by giving the user a printout and then taking in the user's command line input with scanf. Take special note, since ftemp is a double, we must use %lf as the format specifier in scanf, not %f. Otherwise, you'll get unexpected results. Finally, you do the conversion calculation. You may have learned in school that it's 5/9 times the Fahrenheit temperature minus 32, but multiplying by 5/9 is the same as dividing by 1.8. In this way, you avoid a nasty bug of every temperature being 0 because of 5 divided by 9 being interpreted as integer division and then getting rounded down to 0. Then, you print out the Celsius temperature. This %.2f is a special variant of a format specifier where you still are telling printf that the format of the variable you want to print is a double, but you also want that double to be formatted to 2 decimal points. Without this format specifier being specified, C would print out the temperature to as many decimal places as it has represented in the variable.